The 11th Panchen Lama, Erdini Charji Jabu, conducted Buddhist services at the Zhaxi Lhunbo Lamasery on Monday and performed an abhiseca, a Tibetan strength-giving ceremony for thousands of monks and pilgrims. The ritual lasted for 3 hours, during which the monks and pilgrims prostrated themselves to the Panchen Lama and listened to him recite and explain Buddhist scriptures. Panchen Lamas traditionally perform abhisecas at the Zhaxi Lhunbo Lamasery. The residence of all previous Panchen Lamas, the 300,000 square kilometre Lamasery, was built in 1447. The 11th Panchen Lama, born on February 13, 1990, in Lari County of Tibet, was enthroned at Zhaxi Lhunbo Lamasery by the Chinese central government on December 8, 1995. The Panchen Lama serves as Vice President of the Buddhist Association of China and as a member of the country's top political advisory body.